Good morning, church. It's good to have you here this morning. Let's check out what's coming up at the river. Coming up in 1 week is our Deep Sea Adventure holiday program. If you haven't already registered, make sure you do so ASAP. Don't let your kids and their friends miss out on this amazing program filled with fun games, crafts, challenges, Bible values, prizes, and more. There is also something a little bit special every day, from Family Feud and Fort Wars to face painting and scavenger hunts. Check out the River Kids Facebook page to share the event and for more info. We always love having new people at the river. If you're looking to find out more about making the river your home church, join us for our Connect Lunch after church on Sunday the 9th of October. You'll hear more about the history and vision of our church and how you can get involved. You can register at the information desk at the back of the auditorium. Our next Ministry Teams training event is coming up on the 15th of October at 9:30 a.m. in the events room. We will be learning more about how to hear God's voice and how to pray effectively for people, being sensitive to what God wants to do and how He wants to minister. This is an open training event and all are welcome to attend, but all current ministry team members are especially encouraged to come, and anyone who would be interested in joining the team. Contact Chris Twyman for more info and to register your interest. HKC Youth will be taking a 2-week break over the school holidays. But don't worry, the fun starts up again on the 14th of October. Next term's theme is called Level Up. So have a great 2 weeks off and we will see you at the start of term 3. His Presence Conference was an amazing weekend with great input from our speakers. If you received a prophecy over the weekend, then contact Corlia at corlia@theriver.org.nz and she will be able to help you out. As always, the podcast from the weekend will be up on the River website, so check it out if you missed something or if you want to hear the sermons again to get even more out of it. We hope you enjoy your morning here spending time with God, but don't forget to keep God in your everyday throughout the week too. See you next time, everyone.